Here is the JLab Go Air Sport earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S20. So first thing is have the buds in the case. Then you want to open it up, and as soon as you take it out, it should go into pairing mode unless you're already paired to a different device. Okay, so I'm not connected to any device. As soon as I pull it out, I see it's in pairing mode. You notice in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, white, it's only going to be on one earbud, not both. Okay, so this one's blinking blue, white. This is in pairing mode. Okay, if it's not in pairing mode, what you can do is you can hold both of these sensors for 3 seconds, like this, and then let go and just wait till it starts blinking blue, white. If it doesn't work the first time, try it one more time. Hold the sensors down for like 3 seconds and wait till you see a pairing mode. If you don't, you're probably connected to a different device, so you need to unpair that or forget that device, or you can factory reset these. If you want to know how to factory reset these, look in the link below. Anyway, we are in pairing mode here, so let me grab my phone. We're going to go to settings. I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and make sure this little thing is spinning here so it's searching. So you can see all my paired devices I have here, and below available devices, these are all the devices that are in pairing mode. Okay, so hey, look, there's that JLab Go Air Sport right there. So let me tap on that. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request right there. Let's tap on pair. Now we should be connected. You can see right there, connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining on those earbuds. Again, you have troubles issue connecting or pairing, factory reset these. Look in the link below.